Luckily, all the bad parts on the way over here. Maybe a Komatsu? Oh, I see something already I don't like. That exhaust is wide slap open. Doggone it. Let's see what kind of... I really don't know what kind. I think that paint job looks like a Komatsu. Man, you can't even tell. You can't even tell nothing on the boom, like if it had a sticker on the boom. Little crowbar, some jumper cables. I don't see any wash nets though, so that's good. Komatsu. Indeed a Komatsu. So we got a little bit of, those seem to be free. That seems to be not connected. That seems, maybe, maybe not. That's a good sign, I guess. That linkage is okay. Alright, these are not. These are just for your feet, so they don't do nothing. So that was okay. So indeed, it's a Komatsu. I have no idea what model. All right, let's work our way around. Let's go around the back, where it's a little easier to get to. PC 220 LC-3, serial number 20406. So let's see if we can find out what year. Maybe I ain't reading it right. Whoo, had some rats in there. Look at all that rat turd. Here's the cables for some. There's some brazing work done on the hoses. All right, still pretty. I'll tell you, that exhaust sticking straight up is really what's concerning me. That's free. I guess we'll climb up there and see, huh?